Have you noticed this? The more you try to be happy, the more unhappy you feel. That's not a failure. That's psychology. Let's talk about why chasing happiness often backfires and what actually works instead. Most people believe happiness is something you reach, a goal, a finish line. When I achieve this, I'll be happy. When my life looks better, I'll feel better. But the brain doesn't work that way. The moment happiness becomes a target, your mind switches into evaluation mode. It starts asking, am I happy enough? Why don't I feel better yet? What's still missing? And that constant checking quietly creates dissatisfaction. Here's the key psychological problem. Happiness is an emotion, not a permanent state. Emotions are designed to move, not stay. When you try to hold happiness, your brain compares the present moment to an ideal version, and comparison always creates a gap. That gap feels like something is wrong, even when nothing actually is. Another reason chasing happiness fails is because it turns joy into pressure. You feel like you should be happy, and when you're not, you blame yourself. That self-pressure activates stress systems in the brain. Stress and happiness don't coexist well, so the harder you push, the more your mind resists. There's also something called the hedonic adaptation effect. Your brain quickly gets used to good things. New achievements, new comforts, new wins, they feel good at first, then they become normal. So when happiness is tied only to outcomes, it always fades. Not because you're ungrateful, but because your brain is doing its job. So what actually works? Stop chasing happiness as a feeling. Instead, focus on meaningful engagement, moments where you're absorbed, present, connected, not checking how you feel. Happiness shows up as a side effect, not a destination. The paradox is this: people who stop chasing happiness often feel happier because they stop measuring every moment. They allow emotions to pass naturally without turning them into a test. So if you've been feeling frustrated, thinking, why am I not happy yet? Nothing is wrong with you. You're just trying to force something that works best when it's allowed. Let go of the chase and notice what shows up when you stop running.
If this helped you understand yourself better, follow for more psychology in simple words.